Hello YouTube, I'm back again. I just wanted to show you my cleaning kit. I was thinking about maybe cleaning a gun so today, but nothing's dirty because I haven't been shooting. Yeah, so you can see this is the brushes for the gun. That's a 45 and that's a 22. These are all caliber. That's a 30 caliber. That's a 410. 50 caliber, these are all cloth and they go down the barrel. Same thing with these middle brushes to make sure we get the stuff out. Like this is for my shotgun. This is like that's a 12 gauge. This is a 20 gauge. These is all different types of brushes, and there's a 50 cal right there. If you can see it right there, that should be 50 cal. Yeah, and then we got the brushes up here too. But most of these are for like the 25 right here. Let me see, 25. Yeah, see, I can't see that, but that's in the light. Oh yeah, 22. Different calibers. And then you got your regular brushes. See, I had this kit for about a year. I only used it 3 times. To clean. And these are my rods, rods with the extra handles on them, the handles, and then I got these cloths that goes in there. I got extra cloth right here too, I got some more right here, the cloth that goes in there, along with these, the Q-tip brushes, the extra long Q-tip brushes. So when I'm cleaning my guns, I always have enough stuff, and like I said, it's a nice little carrying case. Excuse me, things falling all over the place. And this right here, this is Hoops number 9 oil, gun oil, and this is more Hoops, and this is solvent right here. So yeah, like I say, if you haven't cleaned your guns, you need to clean your guns. I mean, even if you haven't shot them in a while, they still collect dust. I don't know why, how, but they just do. And like I said, I cleaned all my guns. My guns are clean. I don't really need to clean them. I just had the case out, making sure everything where it should be. You know what I mean? And everything is where it should be. And that's all. I just wanted to share this video with you and tell everybody to have a happy Easter.